It's amazing how the person in the wrong is often the one who gets the angriest. We have a green arrow, and not to give you flashbacks to driver's ed or anything, because it could be traumatic for you, but a green arrow means a protected turn, right of way over everyone else. Our subject over here and his friend are illegally crossing the street and disrupting the flow of traffic that have the right of way. The rear camera tells the rest of the story. The water bottle he threw missed our back end by mere inches. And this driver who witnessed the incident immediately swung across the lanes to pull over. Why? We'll never know. Throwing an object at a moving vehicle is a significant crime. People need to stop getting pissy when they're the ones in the wrong, or don't do wrong in the first place. Alright guys, there's a lot more exciting content to come, so be sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon, drop a comment below, give us a thumbs up and share. Also, check out some of our other videos. Thank you for watching.